This is your feeder and stocker report for Tuesday, July 29th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus, 390 to 410, 8 to 900, 430 to 455, 7 to 800, 457 to 470, 6 to 700, 490 to 530, 5 to 600, 545 to 585. Heifers 900 plus, 366 to 389, 8 to 900, 414 to 419, 7 to 800, 439 to 453, 6 to 700, 477 to 498, 5 to 600, 497 to 519, 4 to 500, 522 to 550. Yesterday in Central Alberta, cow-calf pairs traded from $4,900 per pair to $7,000 per pair. Alberta direct sales Monday saw no new trade to report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. Alberta fed prices are trading at sizable discounts to the U.S. market. Normally, U.S. packers would be more active on the market, but this has not been the case. For the week ending July 19th, Western Canadian fed slaughter totaled just under 40,000 head, 3% below last year. Year-to-date, Western Canadian packers have slaughtered 95,000 fewer cattle compared to last year. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 217 to 233, D3 cows 198 to 216. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 235 to 250. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Kansas with live sales marked at 230. Sales are at the bottom end of last week's trading range, but this does not set a market trend. Today, buying interest remains light and significant trade will be delayed till the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 248 in the north and 235 in the south. 4 state show list volumes have been reported smaller in Nebraska and Colorado. Touching on the July 1st cattle on feed report again, total heifer and heifer calves on feed were 5% below last year and accounted for 38% of total on-feed inventories. Profitability in the dairy and cow-calf sector, as well as cheaper feed grains and forage prices, are contributing to more heifers staying out of the feedlot mix, pointing to tighter cattle supplies in 2026. National boner cows averaged 313.79 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.82, down 17 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, the live cattle futures are as follows. August 227.35, down 52. October 224.05, down 72. December 224.72, down 62. This is Clare Starosta with CanFax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producer.